Yo, MD, Cello, welcome, welcome. I will try this. How can I view my... I don't even know how to view the Twitter chat.
PHP is the world's best language.
Oh, there it is. Okay, so I can look at it here. Nice. Okay, nice. I think I actually got it to work, which is surprising. There we go. YouTube chat. What's up? Lots of YouTubers today. What's up, YouTube? Why can I not view... Oh my goodness. There's no way I can view the chat on x.com as well. I'm not... it's a Dutch last name. But yeah, I grew up in the US. But like my family's from the US from a long time. No, just Obsidian. I don't think Obsidian is necessarily the Vim of to-do apps. I think Obsidian's quite simple, which is what I like about it. Office done. Teach is on. Let's go! Last name means syntax error in Dutch. True. How'd you guys know? Okay, so... I'm Dutch. Nice. So I was just exploring... doing some stuff on my Obsidian publish like website situation. Online storage. It does, yeah. You can pay for Obsidian sync, which will sync, but you could also just use Git or something if you don't want that. And then they also have a nice publish feature. So this whole website situation here. Well, yeah, I wouldn't use Obsidian for a to-do list. It doesn't seem that good. Yeah, of course I enabled Vim motions, yeah. I think their Vim mode's fine. I mean, I wouldn't want to write code in it, you know what I mean? But it's like just fine for writing regular stuff. See you, Mahika. Nice. Yeah, we're doing that this afternoon. Just some coffee. Unfortunately, Adam didn't send me my terminal one yet, so it's just regular coffee, but I'm excited. Mine's coming on Monday. Really, Ritesh? That Slack notification triggers some painful memories. It's a good theme song sound. I think Obsidian Sync works great. Yeah.
Okay. Ask me what 9
Obsidian. Don't you buy I did buy my coffee from the terminal. That's what I'm saying. It just hasn't arrived. What up from you? In my mind, I'm basically like I pay for sync and I pay for publish, but I'm pretty much like in my mind, I'm just paying because I think Obsidian's really good. I want to see them succeed as well. So coins. There you go. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Barrett, you goof. What's up, Boyd? Possible write and send emails from him? I think so. I mean, it's Turing complete, so I'm sure it's possible. I'm sure someone. I think there's like Mutt or something like that, right? Isn't that the thing people use? Where was minimal Obsidian? I wanted to check out this guy here today. Yeah, Neomut. Restoring your knowledge. I don't really do like the whole like second brain thing that much. But more of it's like I have my website through this, which I think is nice. And I'm looking to explore a little bit of options here. Someone already using the Vim's window manager. The floodgates have opened. True. Ryan's just always trying to throw shade at me. Happy America Day. Happy America Day, everybody. So I found out that you can just write JavaScript and can run in the browser. I don't know if anybody knows this. But I wrote some JavaScript. It can run in the browser. I can change my site, which is kind of funny. In the browser. I thought it only ran in Node. I was only familiar with the Node programming language. But apparently it also runs in the browser, which is wild. Who knew? Who knew? What's up, Johnny? It runs in the browser, OC. That's what I'm saying. The crazy thing is I didn't even have to run like a bundler or anything, or like any of this like TypeScript stuff. You just write this JavaScript here, and then it puts it right here. Was anyone else? Am I the first one to find this out? Then where's the build step? That's what I was trying to figure out as well. Because I was told that you couldn't do it. You know what I mean? Like, I was told it wasn't possible to do. So that's what I don't really understand. You know what I mean? I don't get it. Now, I don't know what I did. Yo, Defy, what's up, buddy? 19 months is pretty cool. Thanks for subbing for so long, dude. All right, so there were a couple things though that I did want to try. Have you tried turning it off and on? I'm sure it don't work anymore like that. I know. So I can move my blog written in Lisp to JS. No, keep it in Lisp. That's awesome. You're gonna run a bundler in the browser. Say more. Okay, so there are some stuff I could not figure out. I was trying to figure out if there was any way that this would have like a... So I think something's not right here. Oh, maybe I just need to run this inside of... Oh, I see. This probably shouldn't be like this, because otherwise it won't set the title when I change the page. That makes sense. Dude, the experience for publishing this is so cool. You just press one button, it just like, I don't know, just FTPs it somewhere or something. I don't know. It's awesome, you know? It's just magic. It's just magic. It's great. Oh, whoops. You just click publish like that. You know? It's pretty fun. Okay, so this is the part that I don't like, though. I don't know if there's any way for me to change this. I really would like to sort this out. Oh, that's pretty cool. So maybe chat can help me today with some JavaScript problems. Jose, yeah, I know who you meant. I mean, Jose, something like this. I can never say his name right though. Have I watched Suits? I watched some of it, I think, a long time ago, yeah. So one thing I wanted to do is I wanted to try and set the document title to be this, because one thing that's kind of annoying is I don't like that. Well, here, I'll show you guys. So I made my blog have these names. It was blog. It's 2 articles that I wrote on Twitter. I copy pasted it into here. When can we see Doge? She's upstairs hanging with the kids. Maybe we can have her down later, though. Maybe I should make this bigger. Can you guys even read this? I don't even know if you can read this. Where even is font size? Does that make those other fonts bigger? It doesn't. Zoom level. There we go. Yeah, I meant for this, though. I couldn't remember which one this one was. So the reason I did this is because I wanted them to be in order here. Unless there's another way I can order them in this, then I would remove the date from them. You guys know what I'm saying? Does anybody know? Like, is there any way to sort by like properties or something? Oh my goodness, dude. Okay. Keep the date, it's a good thing. Right, but I just didn't want to show it here. I don't like this. So I already wrote something that checks all of the tree item inners, checks for year, month, date, and dash, and removes it from this, right? So the main one I don't really care. I like showing it here in my Obsidian, but for publish, that's where I want to do something different. What's up, Ghost? That's some next level rich. Yeah, you know, I wrote some vanilla JavaScript. Did a regex all by myself. You know, pretty good stuff in my mind. But do you guys see how the title, like, are you watching up here? See how the title's something for like one blink and then it's not blink and then it's not that anymore? Does anyone know how I can make, maybe the mutation observer's not the right thing? I was just Googling random stuff, chat. I don't know at all what I'm doing. There's, as far as I can tell, there's no like official, sorry, apparently that's on light mode. You can put this publish JS and it can go here, but there's no like instructions of what I can do with publish JS. So that's the thing I don't really know. But I asked ChatGPT, I did already. It gave me this one. It didn't seem that good of an answer. I was just wondering if anyone knew offhand. Some of you guys actually write JavaScript for a living. How do you go about writing long stuff? Start by writing something small? I don't know. Is like Lua Neovim? That's what I'm wondering, Andre. Zix, no, there's not one. Oh, that's not a bad plan. But if I do this though, right? That's what I'm saying, you just gotta start. Or Java, same thing. Okay, that's not a bad plan, but then... Okay, so we could try that. But I don't think it gets... Okay, we'll just try. We'll just try. Wait, I shouldn't have to run this every single time. This seems kind of dumb, right? Shouldn't this just be like this? Oops. Why not just make a blog with React, Redux, Next.js, had lab product right? No, because I like Obsidian. All right, we'll try this. Maybe that will work. All right, so let's refresh. Maybe it needs to be on window on load. Because see how it like flashes? You know what I mean? We could try doing, right, it's on load. Maybe. I don't know. I'm actually a microbiologist. Nice. Is this JavaScript? It sure is. It's running in the browser. See, I don't like how, I mean, it's not a huge deal. Also, I could just remove it. It just seems kind of lame, you know? We could try that. Whoops. You could just fix your sin, generate the corrector thing. I don't think this does this one work though? I don't think this will work for publish. Because plugins don't run. By the way, using Observer, not the best idea. Okay, why is Observer not the best idea? I'm doing good, Thoughtless. What about you? That's what I cannot find any hooks in publish. That's what I was feeling as well. I thought that seemed weird for Obsidian. Because everything else always seems so like, so that style. You know what I mean? It still does the flash of the wrong title though. Which like maybe I just shouldn't do it. I also was kind of hoping that like these properties would work or something for it, but I can't figure it out. I was trying to figure out some stuff with Obsidian Publish for titling and things. Why wasn't Doctrine? You don't have any other way to know. Why listen to DOM changes? You don't have any other way to know. What? I'm not sure what you're saying. Yeah, but the rest of everything is like... No. The publish is a completely separate thing. It's not, it's like a completely different setup than this, chat. So you can't just be like, what does it do here? Let's do that. It's something completely different when it goes to publish. So I couldn't figure out. I couldn't find anything. Use a plugin on the client to add the dates invert. Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh, but then what if they're not? Will they? I don't think they'll be in order of publishing date. It would be cool if they were in order. I guess it's like it's not that big of a deal if they're not. Well, the actual Obsidian thing, amazing API. We wrote something a while ago that was so cool, and we did it in like one day, and it worked great for like embedding code and having it stay up to date with other files and all this other stuff. What's up, Freeze? Looks similar to org publishing. Yeah, in Emacs. Oh, it's focused. On America Day, you know it's focused. But publish is like still kind of new, I feel like. Publish API. I'm trying to add comments. I use comments, text on a separate line, and then track in my... Wait, is there a publish? Wait. Salt my hammies? Where is this documented, chat? This is what we needed. Publish global. Now we're talking. Okay, there's Sydney's personal knowledge base, no taking it. Yeah. That's fine. You can think that. Okay. Check to add date as a property. But okay, so publish, register, markdown, post processor. What? Publish dot register. Oh. What? Chat, that could be what we're looking for. Where is this? Where could I have found this API? I looked all over the site. That's what I'm saying. I couldn't find this one. It's when you publish it. Here's part of the public API. Whoa! You don't say. Well, hi, Andro from YouTube chat. Actually, so once again, I'm gonna say regular Obsidian docs are good. I know I should have went to the source, but I didn't think that they would have published this because the publish part isn't open source or anything. What up, Goose? Publish. It's a type of block, exactly. You need to change UI with UI plugin on the right downstream. Yeah, it's true inside of here. That's true, but it's not so easy when we publish it. You guys, you understand this is a website. It's different. It's not Obsidian running in the browser. Vimmotion's fighting with IntelliJ shortcuts. Do I use IDE and override Vim? It's up to you. Whichever one fits your brain better. Wait a second. Oh, this is Obsidian plugin, not Obsidian publish. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. All right, that's fine. So what do we have here? Like, what functions do we even have? Is there anything for, like, loaded? On load? Can you use Neuralink brain chip to code? Seems like it could be possible, yeah. Register. That's very interesting. Okay, so that's pretty cool, though, either way. No, so it exists already. I just didn't realize that this publish global existed. Wait, does this import anything? Ooh, so can I copy this and put this somewhere in my, I can put this somewhere and get completion then, right? Interesting. We'll have to think about that then. I wonder how quick it'll be. What do you mean? Hi, Tui. I'm still not sure if register markdown post processor. Oh, not this one. I want to learn C. Well, nice. I've got a course coming out for that soon. All right. So, okay, so where can I put this? I actually don't even know. Can I put this somewhere so we can say that my... Because I think I do have TS server connected to this, right? I do. Where could I put... Oh, nice. Very cool, Suffix. Yep. You got to make sure it's installed. Yep. Where would I put this as like a thing if I was just writing a random JavaScript file? You could ask ChatGPT, I guess. I have a .d.ts file that I want TS server to include in analysis of a standalone JavaScript file. How could I do that? That makes sense. That makes sense. Properties, date, and time to your blog. Okay. So then what do... How am I going to get it to sort in order by time over here? It's sorted by name. It's sorted lexicographically. All right, so let's try this. I think it will sort with date. Really? Okay, we can try. Yeah, okay, we'll try. Let's also go, let's just call this publish.d.ts. Really? Yeah, I'm using oil. Switch DD over cult members by not making Discord announcement. Oof. True, I forgot. I got confused because I tried to start a Twitch. I started a Twitter thing today. Good point. Happy America Day. Let's do something random and chill. Exploring Obsidian. Much wow. Thanks, Dan, for reminding me. Good point, Dan. Good point. All right. So let's see if we could make this work. Well, okay. So sure. I'll try this. So you're saying you think I should just add date to this, and we can do 07/02/2024 like this, and then we go to rename. Who did this one? Who did this one? Why would you put one with cursing? You know better. Priv? Haven't we had this conversation multiple times? Okay, so let's add date. 07/03/2024. Okay, so you're saying if I switch this to be 01, it's gonna sort. How would this sort? Why would this change this? I don't understand. Why would this change? I don't understand. But working for US on call and cheer. Do people on holiday? Yeah. I hope it will sort by date. Oh, nice. Okay, great. So that's, I don't care necessarily how it sorts here. Using so much GUI can make you blind. True. The place where the code goes is now only on our app side. Yay, that site doesn't transform. That's what I'm saying. That's correct, Priv. He said it so many times. It's like one of the only rules. It's one of the only rules. Tier 1, 6 months in advance. And Vonred, thanks for the sub as well. Maybe, no, Dan, Nightshade taught me that if you ban people who gift subs, they gift more. That's what Nightshade taught me. He told me that's how he developed a bunch of people who want to give subs to Prime. He, like, Pavlovianly changed their mind to need to get... Right, the reason we can't say VS is because we don't curse on the stream. You know? That's why. You take notes when you learn? Not usually. When they hear the bell, exactly. See, it's like we banned Priv, but it didn't matter. Defy Us All came in and gifted. Did someone get banned? Someone did actually, yes. Someone did actually defy. Oh man, but Visual Studio has a nice UI for installing packages from Nougat. Okay. Oh, that's funny, Dan. That's a good one. What's the plan in Obsidian? We're just exploring some features. I'm such a good mod. I'm such a good mod. All right, so let's say we do this, right? We publish this. And we'll select those as well, because these got scuffed. That's fine. We'll see what it says now. Well, the problem is I can't actually test whether they're going to be the right order or not, because they're already in the right order. We need to make some more fake ones. True. Giving the true shout out to Defy. Best tip to learn new things, you got to build something with them. Don't just read. You got to do something. Writing notes is fine. So, I mean, this is cool. Okay, so there was this plugin here that I haven't explored yet. Because this one seems good. This did seem kind of like a good option here of templater, so we should read this. And I don't, well, oh no, we do actually want this one at some point. But the problem is, as far as I can tell, the title inside of the topic here does nothing. Because I was really hoping title was gonna do something here, but it doesn't do anything. How about trying Task Warrior? I'm not doing it for to-do lists, so that's not what I want at all. And I have tired Task Warrior. What's up, Ed? Unless you're learning how to take notes, then it's practice as well. Smart. Good up, Carf. Got 5 note. Then I'll be ready. Exactly. Exactly. What's up, Nobari? That's a great way to say hello. I like it. That's a great way to say hello. So one thing that could be interesting, right, is here. Recursion. It's a difficult topic, but I think I finally have the best definition. Yo, up, Dingus. And chance to give an overview of what's going on, just joined. We're exploring Obsidian and Obsidian Publish. I don't really have any other goals for it. There is something. Hit me with a link. Hit me with a link. Publish, tasks, query, sorting. Whoa, where did you get this? What is this? Tasks, user guide. What is this? No, this is for tasks. This isn't what I want. So I know this one. I've been on this site before already. Good job, Priv. I'm marginally literate. Nice. Published. Oh, so this is not. This is just like they published something to a site called Tasks. Ed, I've used mostly a thing called Look at Me. But honestly thinking about getting back in the PowerPoint game. Chat, stop suggesting plugins. Plugins don't work in here. I want it for this. We could just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can do that too. Chat, imagine taking some time to think at all about it. It's okay. We can think of options. They talk about adjusting display or navigation items. That sounds like it's manual. Oh, inside of here, you're saying? Yeah, so you can do these manually. I think that is it's an Electron app. It seems fast and works for me. I know that one, chat. I know this one. So I know that we can do this. And I know that we can drag these manually. So I know this part already. But wouldn't it be better if like when I wrote a blog post or something, it was just... I think it's fine on my phone. I don't know. It works okay for me. Although I mostly have used it on my tablet. It's on my tablet. Tablet pretty regularly. Debian or Arch? Pop OS. Yeah, I don't really do to-do list tag things. Okay. Hodl chat. Markdown, post processor, context. Add structure will have its lifestyle managed by the renderer. This is used to dependent jobs of the render such that container L. Okay, I want to try this way. Let's try this. Let's go back to ChatGPT. See what it says here. Okay, so now we need to know, do we have publish? Publish? Why don't I have publish? Shouldn't this say publish? Publish. So shouldn't this be like global then? Maybe we'll try LSP restart since I just changed the... Are you importing it? Oh, do I need to import it? Okay, how do I import it in vanilla JavaScript land? Do I need to do something in my vanilla JS file to tell TS server to look at the .d.ts file? So it's a .d.ts, right? So I have this file right here, publish.d.ts right here, right? You need to include your script. So that's what I thought I just did. Include publish.d.ts. Isn't this the right path? Maybe trailing comma screwed it. Probably JSON problems. Here, we'll try this again. I got nothing. Got nothing. Import type, but that won't work, will it? Because this is like. Dang, you got me, Emin. Why don't you use Neon to take notes instead of Obsidian? Because I like to. I like this. Yeah, see how this image just goes in here, no problem, and it's like nice. I don't need to be the maximum fast typer, navigate, quickest doobity bop boop bop when I write notes. When I want to know what I want to do, I want to write it and be done with it. Yeah, but the last thing I want to do is use something slower than Electron. Why don't you cook inside of Neo instead of a kitchen? Can I just do var publish equals publish? I can't. How do I do this again? Can I just say like at type publish or something like this? Can all be used in TypeScript. This is a JavaScript file, chat. I don't think I can write import type. There's got to be something in JS doc. What about something with JS doc to declare that I have a global variable of a type from my .d.ts file? Nobody in chat knows JS. Giga stream. Indeed. At type. Yeah. There's some cursed JavaScript for my solo website today. I added monads into prototypes of things so I can do option promise.map. Nice. Very cool. Nice. I love to handwrite when I have comprehension issues. Yeah. I don't think, I don't like, yeah, it's okay, chat. So that we have type. Do I, like, clearly it's trying to import it here. You know what I mean? But I can't. So TS server is not getting it. By the way, you can for sure get your .ts.types. Is it because I have it goofy, like inside of here? Does this need to go after this or something? Export? Do I need to say export publish or something like this? Oh, it's already exported. You did have, I have allow.js, check.js, no omit, right? Are you proud? I am proud of you that you guys don't know anything about JS, yeah. You guys are still missing the point. Like, NeoVim's awesome, but just because NeoVim's awesome doesn't mean we have to use it for everything. Right, you know what I mean? Like, and we're JS stuff, yeah, exactly. Like, we can just use good tools for good jobs. And I think Obsidian's awesome. And can you show your file tree again? Yeah, so what I have is I have this publish.d.ts right here. Publish.d.ts, right? I have this publish.js right here. Okay, we can try that. Yeah. At type import publish d.ts. Do I do publish? Do I just do publish like this? Aha! Good job, chat. Good job, chat. Everybody, how come some people get intro music? You have to be a subscriber. After you're a subscriber, you can get one. We built it ourselves. Prime would solve your problem easily. He's an expert on this. Wrong. He's 2 languages away from his vanilla JS arc, okay? He's forgotten everything he's learned and all of the best practices. Yep, that was actually a test. Carve, you're permabanned. You knew about type def, you're gone. I think Obsidian, you should try telecasting. It's basically Obsidian, but built for Neo. But that's what I'm saying. I don't want to have NeoVim be this. Can't read, so there's that. That's the other problem. Okay, awesome. So now I can just do, something like this. Publish, register, markdown, post processor. Is it just that I need a function? What? That's funny. No, I didn't want to do all of that. Thanks though, Cody. I think I need to turn on, if I do vim lsp buff format, will it actually format this? There's no magic language servers. Okay. That's fine. I'm not a subscriber. All my subscriptions are paused until my bad debts are paid off and I'm ahead. Nice. That's a good idea. Try. I think VIPs get it as well though, right? Try find. Have you used find? It works well. It's the like AI thingy. Would you mind changing your TS config to JS config? I don't think that works, right? Do you watch anime? I have watched some animes, yes. Why doesn't it tell me, hey, this thing doesn't exist? Shouldn't it tell me like, yo, dog? That's not I can't. JS can't afford. Smart. Processor itself. HTML element. Okay, so it's some async function that just does this. Async.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
L context. Can I even do this? So here's where I want to know, can I just do this? Document.title equals kecw, right? I want to do this. And then I want to just take all of the rest of this and we'll comment it out. We'll see what happens. Blue execution platform. Yeah, you can do like this. nvim-l print hello world. Whoops. Did I do the wrong thing? Is not L? Did I forget what it is? Oh, that's script and args. What's the one where you... Oh, right. That one executes a script, right? So you would need to actually pass it a file. But yeah, you can execute a Lua script, right? It doesn't just execute the thing on the command line, right? Oh, leaving Dockyard, Ryan. I didn't know that. I think if you change your rules in TS config, you'll get stuff like that. Such as what? The C course will be published on boot.dev, promo code TEACH, by the way. It's going well though. I'm gonna work on it for a while after stream today. Have you tried Notion? Why Obsidian is better? I like that I own all of my files for Obsidian. Yeah, I was thinking about deleting the repo. Weird, because I'm gonna probably put stuff in here that I don't want published right away. Script, TypeScript, Lua. Yeah, so you could do something like this, yeah. 4K no work on C on stream. I might. I just didn't really feel like it today. I was just saying for today. Yeah. Okay, so I want to see this. Let's test this out really quick. Whoops. Let's just do a quick publish. Right? And then let's refresh the page. Okay, so the unfortunate bit is that, so one nice thing is we for sure got this run, right? You get your notes pseudo choned by note. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Plus, I really like Capano, or I don't know how you say his name. Whatever the dude is who's making Obsidian, he seems awesome. Even if I accidentally... I think he doesn't like me anymore. He was joking about, or well, he was saying it's kind of amazing that well-run companies shooting themselves in the foot, repeating the same mistakes over and over as they scramble to add AI everywhere. So much goodwill and reputation being destroyed because the incentives are too strong to resist. I asked if AI gets added to Obsidian, can we call it our third brain? But he didn't know that I thought it was obviously a joke. But then he responded like nicely and helpfully, and I was like, oh no. Oh no. I just wanted to make you laugh, you know? Nice elf of my life. Smart, Rajarshi. Nice. So, anyways. I felt a little bad. I thought this was a pretty good joke, though. You know what I mean? He doesn't understand. Yeah. I should have put a /s or something there to give him a hint. You know what I mean? But anyways, I really like Capano. Would recommend. File over app. This is the whole Obsidian philosophy here, right? Which is what I like a lot. It's a good joke. Thank you. I'm glad at least one person in chat confirmed that they thought it was a good joke. I was a little worried. Kekpano. Nice. Not gonna make it. He seems to be doing all right. Anyways, I really like him. Would recommend. Great follow. Lots of great ideas. So, since I really like him, I want him to succeed with Obsidian. Kekpano. Dude, it's just sometimes the right time in the right way, unsuspectingly. It just really gets you, you know? So this at least is good because we can do the title. The title is a little bit late, but it's not so bad. It's not so bad. You know what I mean? It's not so bad. Lolpano, not as good. It's not as many letters close to each other, but we'll give it. So what else do we have on publish though? Publish dot on. You don't say. Extends events. What are events? What are all the events that events can be? Create the website design by yourself or using template? It's based on template, but I am thinking about switching to this one. So I think this one looks great and it has some other really cool stuff in it that I want to try. Add that joke to the database. So what? Unnavigated. I wonder if we can do that instead. I'm just trying to see which one of these gives me the least delay, right? And just make sure we have everything. Yeah. There's just not going to be any way to do it, right? Because it's like we get the HTML probably first, and then the JavaScript's going to come, and it gets loaded too late, right? Does Tiny have even less enums? That's pretty funny. That's a pretty good one. So how do I know what events are possible? I don't know that. Is this some normal JavaScript thing that I don't know? Chat? It has an iota of enums. I love that joke. Teach you to learn to play the tin whistle. I don't know what you're saying. Okay. Actually, we can make fun of it, and we just did. Interesting. So this part's actually really cool. We could do a lot of interesting stuff with this. Is there a list of normal events? Or this like events thing is something, right? Maybe you can try adding content page using JS instead of HTML. Yes, but you're wrong. That's different. That's different for sure. We'll just ask ChatGPT again. Is our dumbest good because document them, retrieve events or something can be. Is this a standard JS thing? I found this in the Obsidian publish API. What are the possible events? Plug in neovim about register, but register come from .vim file. Fix directly in neovim. LFS, it sounds like something then you could fix in Vim. That'd be fine. Okay, stop yapping. Oh, we could try load. Let's try load. Let's see if that works. Right, I'm wondering though, like what events are going to happen. You know what I'm saying? Does that make sense? Yeah. I don't know how to find out which ones exist. Like, I didn't see any loaded. You know what I mean? Or load. Oh, whoops. Maybe it's loaded. There's got to be... Like, is there like an emit? That's what I was trying to figure out. Wait. We can do publish. There's got to be somewhere where it keeps track of... Woo! Bless me, chat. Load. Navigated. Well, this seems like this seems like where we're storing those. Oh, you're blessed. Thank you. Bless your soul. All right. Thank you, chat. Thank you for the blessings. Many blessings. Many blessings. So we got just load still, not loaded. Site publish. I don't know. So the thing that makes me think that this is the only one that exists is this is the only one that they have listed here with any on. You know what I mean? I didn't code the website at all. It's just marked down to this. I didn't do anything. So that's kind of making me think that that's only the only thing. You know, like it's the only one that exists right now. So that seems like the only things we have available to ourselves, right? If I'm reading through all of these, where do components get used? Markdown render child renders component. I see. Okay. Yep. Load this component shown on load. And then these are just the different like JavaScript functions that it used somewhere, right? And just shakes all of them. Okay, that's fine. Is it official feature of Obsidian? Yep, it is. It's an official Obsidian feature. You have to pay for it because like they host it for you and everything. But yeah. Okay, so my current thought would be what we can actually do though that's pretty cool is this. And if we can go L dot front matter, I think, right? Or it's context dot front matter. Nice. So that's pretty cool. So we can do this. We can set this and this. We'll just do navigated for now is fine. That's great. Monitor events in console to log all events. What? I just literally write monitor events like this. What? But this is like JavaScript events, right? This is probably not the same one. Okay, that seems like I think navigated. Hey, that's the one from me. Click mouse up, mouse down. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. What up, Weirdo? How many times did it print this? Oh, this happens. Why did this print so many times? That part's kind of weird. Figured the global types. Every game might be a browser event, bro. I haven't had coffee. I don't know. It prints it for every single one. Okay. Because it's going to print it for every block. That's fine. That's fine. It's a little bit annoying, right? Is there any way for me to say this is the element and this is the context? Because what we could do instead is we've been using Obsidian. We are, yeah. On the navigated callback any context any. So we don't have. I guess we could try and print. So this says callback with a context any event ref. It doesn't take anything. Is there any way for me to get what the current file path is? There's no way for me to get like where is front matter here? I think the only place we can get that is from markdown processor context, right? The only place we have that is inside of create code block. Yeah, is inside of here. Markdown post processor context. Okay. Well, that's fine. That's fine, because we can just, it doesn't even matter. We can set the title a bunch of times. I don't think it does anything at all. Because what I want to do with this then, right, is I can remove this, and we can say if context front matter and context front matter title, right? Because that's what we have here. We can, this is just dot title, right? Then we can just say document title is this, right? Hey, so add it to your, go to your TS config, and in your includes also add in my TS in my TS config, in the include, you're saying also go star.js like this. And then you're saying I can delete this. In async. Oh, I see. Okay. ES25 in your lib option. Yeah. Right, so then I still go to here. Oh, that's really cool. Nice. How can I get rid of this? No, that's not what I want. Add ES2015 to your lib option. Libs? No, thank you. Okay, there we go. Okay, awesome. Yep, nice. Totally logical, reasonable scenario. Everything about that totally makes sense to me. Yep, we got it. Nice, chat. Nice. All right, yep, see you later, for weird. It's been good knowing you. Thanks for giving me that advice. You're no longer allowed to be here. Oh, man. Is Obsidian Mac? What? No. It's even on mobile and everything. It's great. It's live? What do you mean it's live? The blog? Yeah, it, What? Why did it? Oh my goodness. I don't want it to complete this. That part's kind of funny though. Straight up nerd sniped you. Obsidian your main note-taking app? It's not really, I wouldn't necessarily, for me, 100% call it a note-taking app, but sure. It's not live, but it's just like, you just press publish and it's up in like 2 seconds or less. Okay, so that's cool though. So now we have the title and we have some permalink here. We have the date. So then, okay, so chat, I'll just give you a quick suggestion in general for your life. If you're just gonna suggest other stuff for people all the time, they're not gonna like it. I really don't know what to tell you guys. I really don't know what to tell you. Oh, man. You should write your blog in Google Cloud. Okay, but that actually does seem like a good idea. I have tried Microsoft Word. Used to be pretty good at it back in the day. So here's why I won't swap. It's because I like Obsidian. That's why. We could be useful feature for all editors. Yeah. What if you didn't? Then I would be saying I'm looking for alternatives to Obsidian. Yep. I'm giving up on Vim. I'm only using Obsidian for everything now. Twitch chat told me it's not possible to use more than one tool. I am a trader of the highest order. There we go. Obsidian is the new Emacs. Only Notepad and .txt. Finally admitted it, chat. I finally admitted it. There's a Neo ultimately using Obsidian as the backend. Yeah, that just seems like a lot of work for no reason. Like if I wanted to write code for Obsidian, then I would just use the plugin that I wrote that was really easy to write. And like, where's an example of this? Like this, where I wrote a plugin where I could just write start code and then it would look up files in my thing of this kind and it would just include them. So that if we were to go to something and change enum-c like this and add purple like this and hit save, and we went back to here and moved, and then this, I'm pretty sure, or did I delete that plugin on? I may have deleted the plugin on X because I wasn't using it. What was it again? Start code? I don't even remember what we called it. Sync? I don't know. I think I deleted it. Anyways, I just wrote something in like a little, like in what, 2 hours? Does anyone remember? Yeah, there's a Vim mode, and it just syncs these files. You know what I mean? It was like, it was no problem at all. Probably got stunned. He really did get stun locked on that, true. But I don't want to do that. I'm not going to write code really in here. I'm just going to write plain text things, you know? And just sitting during coding. Yeah, right. Yeah, that's fine. Here's the thing, chat. I'm not saying you should use Obsidian. I'm saying you can use what you want. I do pay for it, yeah. I pay for the hosting and the sync, yep. True. ASCII doc or like RST? I'm with you, yeah. But you're an influencer? Should you influence us? I don't think I've ever called myself an influencer. At least hopefully not. Have you not considered local hosting your own OBS vault? I've considered that it cost me like $5 or $8 or whatever a month. And if I have to spend an hour on it, then that's a waste of a year's worth of time. So I would just not do it then. I would just pay for it and be really happy with the experience. It works on my phone. It works on all my computers. It works on my tablet. And it gets to support someone making awesome stuff. What'd you use before Obsidian? Nothing really. Because I don't use it as like a second brain kind of thing. I just use it like I'm using it because it's a really easy way to write a website. Which I like. Does it work on your fridge? Probably it would, yeah. I like this, and then I use it for keeping notes for like not tech stuff, basically. No, didn't use Evernote. I don't take notes basically for anything. The only thing I take notes for is I write notes about stuff at church, and then I write stuff for like my lessons that I make, and I want those to be searchable, and I want to own the contents of them, and that's it basically. How's the Vim integration? I don't know. I don't use it. I just use Vim mode, and it's good. Good enough for writing plain text. I actually edit in Obsidian, yeah. Christian, by the way. Yeah, by the way. Yeah. I'm saying like I don't need anything crazy to write those down. You know, it's just like, in fact, what I do, I don't have my tablet down here. I use my tablet with my handwriting, my writing to text, and then I use that because it's nice because I can remember better. Yeah. NeoVim Obsidian extension at church. Exactly. Okay, so I did want to check out this templater one. But what I didn't understand was I don't think this is just for making things easily when you create a new note, I think. Pulls out ThinkPad at church. No, I do I do it on my tablet, chat. Bible course when? Probably never. I like talking about it in person with people. I don't think the internet is very conducive to talking about anything serious or charged with people. I think it's generally a net negative and people just make themselves hate each other more. So it's not really my shtick, basically. But always happy to talk about it with people outside of me just chatting to 300 people or whatever about it. I just don't think it's an effective strategy for anybody. The medium both affects and limits the messages that you can send on them. It's like why I don't try and say anything important on Twitter. What are you guys going to be convinced of by 100 characters? Chargement talked about OCaml. Some things are just objectively and obviously true. Like OCaml is a good language. Are you knocking on doors? No, I don't do. I don't generally do knocking on doors. It's not really my style either. Okay. I'm not sure that this is what I want to do. Maybe I don't want to use this because I think that this doesn't really give me any pluses for what I want to do. Like, I don't mind just writing out what I think the title and the permalink should be and the date. I mean, I guess we could add that and it would be not super hard to do. Does anyone know when I navigate to between two spots, is there like some global in JavaScript that gets reset? Like, does window get reset? Like if I navigate to here and I do window dot something, it's still true. Is there anything that's like when this URL changes, then it's done? You guys know what I'm saying? Like I want something that I can check that I did this only once per se, like URL. Is that a thing? Oh, good. Just document. Just watch the next video.